Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's check what is new in YouTube Studio. First of all, we will check analytics. Then in overview, here is top tips for your thumbnails. Let's check what are tips. Thumbnails help viewers choose you. Let's see how your thumbnails are doing. Next step is these thumbnails are working well. Okay, that's good. And then here's how to give your thumbnails every chance to shine. Make sure that they are clear and easy to read. Thumbnails change sizes on different devices, so use high resolution images and text. Okay, stand out next to other thumbnails. Very nice. Your thumbnail should preview your videos and spark curiosity. So always remember to find your style, keep it simple, and target your audience. Very well. And next one is want more? Watch for more ways to boost your thumbnails, title, and thumbnail. So, was this useful? Or other hand is send feedback. No need to send any feedback.